Hey there! Are you interested in learning about the power of prompts with ChatGPT? Well, you're in the right place. Using the right prompts can make all the difference when it comes to the output you get from ChatGPT. And today, I've got an amazing prompt hack that will blow your mind. This one is a real game changer. It's designed to help you become your own prompt engineer and get the best possible output from ChatGPT. Let's have a look at this prompt. Sounds pretty cool, right? Let's give it a try right now. I'll give you an example prompt to get started. Write me a 200 words article about SEO for beginners. ChatGPT will first provide a revised prompt for you, followed by suggestions on how you can improve your prompt. Lastly, ChatGPT will ask you questions to help you improve the next suggested prompt. After you answer the questions, ChatGPT will give you a revised prompt, suggestions, and questions again. You can continue the process or simply copy the revised prompt and ask in a new chat. There you have it. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started on creating the perfect prompt and getting the best possible output from ChatGPT. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing AI-related content.